Yeah, bumps and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I hope.
Hello folks, welcome to another Taste Buds episode, and today's video is a precursor to our breakfast live that we did where we used the banana flour to make a vegan style dish that resembles fried fish. Now this is the prep video, how we went about doing it, just for those persons who have never used the fresh or thereabout vegan the fresh banana flour before. And so I wanted to show you today. We have 2 banana flour and we also have a little bit of the blossoms, and we're gonna prep them and prepare them for our breakfast live platform. So I just thought I would share this video with you guys, so stay tuned and I hope you enjoy it. So this morning we are stepping out of the box, way out of the box for breakfast live, and we're going to be using banana flowers in a unique way. This is the banana suckers or blossoms, and guys, just join us for breakfast live. It's going to be an interesting morning. What do you think, see? You think we can make it?
I'm interested to see.
Boy, we're going to kick it off early as we can. We're going to try our best to make sure so everybody enjoy this morning's breakfast live. Yeah, these are some of the ingredients that we'll be using. But hey, come 10 o'clock, you will see the fullness, man. I tell you. Yardie Belly TV. Remember me tell. So, these are just some of the ingredients that I'll be using. And the banana flour is a unique, fruit or vegetable. And you want to get off the outer flesh as much as possible because it is a little bit on the tougher side, all right? And of course, you know the color changes when you go to cook it. These are the banana blossoms, and there is a unique way of treating this. You have to pull off this stem out of the inside of it because it is super duper tough, very, very rubbery. And there's also a silver skin element to it that you have to pull off. So these 2 things have to go, all right, before you can use it. Let me do one more just to show you what I am doing here. You're gonna pull off this stem. Is like a bone. You pull it out. See there? I'll show you. Yeah, and then you're gonna pull off the silver skin, this little piece of like plastic, all right, and then you can use it. So I have some there. Then now the next step is to cut my banana flour into the pieces and proportions that I want. So I have a certain amount of the banana flour already set there, and I have stripped down my remaining banana flour. Let me move this out of the way. This is just some of the silver skin and the little stem that I picked out of the banana flour. I'm gonna cut off the tip here because the tip tends to it's very soft, guys, but you know, I'm just gonna cut off the tip. Now this one has been in my refrigerator for quite some time, that's why you see it get black, but it is still good. There's nothing wrong with it, all right. And then I'm gonna just cut off this tip right here, all right. And then I just want to, you have to avoid the stain, but you want to, let me get a better knife. I'm just gonna cut my banana flour straight down the center. See that? See that? All right, see that? Let me see if I can fix the camera a little bit. So that's what I do. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in the middle like such. All right, and do the same thing right here. All right, so there you have it, my banana flour. And carry the camera for me, guys. I'm just gonna add this to, I'm gonna put my steamer in and just put this in like so. I'm gonna steam it. Some people boil for them one, but I'm gonna steam mine for the purpose of this video. All right, so I'm just gonna put that in, make it steam, and then I will do the rest of prepping. Let me do the next one. Let me just finish the next one for the camera. Alright? So, just gonna cut into it. You see that brown mark? It no spoil or nothing. It's just because it stayed there too long. Alright? And generally what's gonna happen is once it's steamed, that's the general color that's gonna take on anyway. Alright? So don't worry about it. It was just in the fridge for too long. I'm gonna also add this to my steamer. And then I'm also, well, I don't want it to break up, so I know. And then I'm also gonna add the rest of the flour. And this is gonna steam for about 30 minutes. Yeah? About 30 minutes, and then we're ready to use it after it gets soft. Ouch. Alright, and so I'm just gonna add some garlic to the steamer to help it steam. Lock down that as much as possible, and we come back after about 20 minutes. So after about, say, 20 minutes, this is about how long? See, about 30 minutes, right?
Yeah.
About 20 to 30 minutes. This is the end result of our banana flour, and as you can see, soft. And the reason why I prefer steaming it is because now it is not soggy. When you get your banana flour out of the can, it is soggy. Alright, and some people have to drain it off and stuff, but as you can see, it's not soggy at all, and it's totally soft, and there is no stain. The stain is gone, and it hold its shape. Right. So yeah. So now we can process it in the way we choose. For today's presentation, we're gonna do it as a deep fry substitute to fish. And of course, for the vegan community, this is well loved because you get the taste and the texture and the look of fried fish, you know, but you don't get the animal slaughter and or protein. And so that's what we wanted to do, give everybody a chance to, as it were, utilize, you know, vegetables and to get the best use of them, and also cater to our vegan community as well. So this is our steamed banana flour, and I'm also gonna show you the finished result, yeah, of our experiment today. Of course, if you want to see this in its entirety, you have to watch our breakfast live video where we showed you the process part of, you know, doing the fried thing and stuff. But oh, it look good, don't guys? I know you will enjoy this video. So we have already made the major fish fillet, you know, on our live channel, and the video is up already. But I just wanted to use the little suckers or blossoms in a unique way, and so I'm gonna add them to the same fish batter and make some fritters. All right, so I have my oil that I fried the fish in, you know, or the fish fillets in. I'm just gonna drop these in that same oil and you know, make some fritters, and I think that will utilize the blossoms in a good way. All right, so guys, when everything is said and done, we utilize or maximize the full potential of the banana blossoms. And of course, this is something to try in your neck of the woods, especially nowadays when, you know, things might definitely not be okay on your side. You need little sustenance. You want to stop eating meat. Yeah, we can fool around and try different stuff, man. So yeah, this is what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna mix this and then use a spoon and drop them in the pot. I'll show you that in a little. So here is our banana flour fritters, or the blossoms. And guys, to be honest with you, we'd never get to show any of these because as soon as we take out one out of the pot, somebody grabbed it and went away with it. So we only got to show you the finished product of our banana flour, looking like a fish, like fish fillets and stuff like that. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yardie Belly TV is on. We're doing our best. Share the video for us, and as usual, live and laugh, cook and eat.